Hi, welcome to my channel Mathemagic with Mohsin Raza. So today I have a question that says that which number is greater between them. One number is 2 3 under root and the other one is 1 plus 5 square root. So how we can tell which one is the greater without using any calculator? So please subscribe the channel for watching more interesting videos. So let's see how we can do this question. So here the number was 2 3 under root and the other one was 1 plus 5 under root. So first of all we take the square of both of the number. So we get what? We get here 4 times 3 which is equals to 12, and here if we take the square then by using the identity for the square or binomial expansion says uh, that a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it gives 1 plus 5 under root square plus 2 into 1 into under root 5. So which gives what? That gives 1 plus 5 plus 2 under root 5. Okay, so here which is the what we get 6 plus 2 under root 5. So other number was 12. So here if we cancel out 6 from the both by taking the subtraction of 6 on the both, then we get what? We get number 6 and 2 under root 5. Now again by taking the square on both sides we get what? So here if we take the square here and also we take the square on the other, so we get 36 and the other one is 4 5 is 20. So from here you can see that 36 is greater than 20, and 36 comes from this number and 20 comes from this number, which shows that 2 under root 3 is greater than 1 plus under root 5. Okay, right. So thanks for watching this video and please subscribe the channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.